Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a little bit of a yarn haul here. I went to Hobby Lobby today for the first time in a while, and I got two bags. I got a big bag and a little bag. We'll start with the little bag. So today I went to Hobby Lobby because I needed a couple of other things and decided to go ahead and get yarn. It wasn't on sale, but I thought it's been a long time since I've been here and everybody likes watching these Hobby Lobby hauls. And a lot of it I got with the intentions of hat and scarf sets, because today is hat and scarf weather. It is cold here today. It's like 30 some degrees. And I also want to take the time to say I want to apologize that I haven't been putting out a lot of videos lately. Some of you may know, some of you may not know. My father-in-law recently passed away, and it's been a little hard to get back into the routine of our everyday life. I'll say that. It has, and I'm not gonna lie, there's been some times I'm just don't feel like crocheting, I'll say, and I slacked a little bit on my videos, and I apologize for that. And we're getting back into our rhythm again, and harvest is ending, thankfully, so you're gonna start seeing more now. Right now I'm unbagging everything and trying to put it in order so I can tell you guys what I have, what I got. But also, I would like to say that I know a lot of people posted asking questions on my wash rag and dish towel set, the white one with the blue at the bottom. And again, I'm sorry I didn't get to those really quick. And I noticed somebody posted a... Okay, let me ask you this. You guys tell me, am I wrong to think that if somebody leaves a comment and they put everything in all caps, not everything, like half the message is in all caps and then the rest of it's normal? To me, the all caps insinuates yelling. Like, I would read that as if they were yelling at me. That's just how I would read that. And a lot of people were asking questions on this dish towel set that I hadn't seen for a while, because like I said, it's been a little hard to get back into our normal routine. But last night I had gotten on there and I had seen these comments, and I'm like, don't get mad. So I just put on there, I'm sorry, I've got some things going on in my life and I haven't looked at these comments recently. I'm sorry. And yeah, I was just, it was a question asking me how many rows of white I did between the blue and the white. And if any of you guys commented on it and I answered you or I didn't, I'm sorry. Life's happened. I had put in there, it's 50 rows from blue to white or whatever it is. Anyway. So, I'm going to just go ahead and show you guys what I got. Like I said, most of this I had, actually all of it. Well, no, not one of them. I bought this with the intentions of hat and scarf sets. I'm ready for hat and scarves. I'm ready. So the first thing I got, I don't know if this is new, but I don't remember ever seeing this. Fireplace Comfort. 5.3 ounces, 150 grams. 229 yards, 210 meters, 70% acrylic and 30% wool. It's a 4-weight medium. Recommends a 5.5 millimeter hook or an eye. But this one, I got two of these. This one's really pretty. I think Matt would like this as a hat, especially since it's got wool when he's outside and it's cold. He'll love that. He always tells me, I have another hat I made him out of wool, and we'll be Christmas shopping or something, and he's like, I gotta take this off, my head is sweating. I said, that's because it's got wool in it, honey. So the other Fireplace Comfort color I got is Busy Bee. So it's a mixture of yellow and grays, and I think that's just white. I forgot to tell you what color this one was. This one is Splash of Color. And the fuzz is like, making my nose itch. I'm gonna make a hat and scarf set for me, and then put a gray pom-pom on top of it. There was a commercial, a car commercial one time, and there was a girl, like, she's sitting in the back with a guy in the back of like an SUV and had the top up, and like they were on a mountainside drinking coffee or whatever, and she had the cutest yellow hat with a gray, like, what kind of fur would you call that? I don't know, like a gray fluffy pom-pom. And I was like, oh, that's adorable. I want to make that. Let's see. What do I got now? I'm trying to make sure I have the same color here. Okay. So this one, actually I got 3 of these, right? Yeah. Okay, this is the color, or Yarn Bee Dazzling. It is the color Pool. And I got 3 of them, which, of course, the 3 I got don't look anything alike. Well, 2 do. 2 do. Anyway, this is 3.5 ounces. My nose. I've got yarn fuzz on my nose and it's driving me nuts. Okay, this is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 249 yards, 228 meters, 98% acrylic, 2% metallic polyester. It's a 4-weight, and they recommend a 5.5 millimeter hook, so a 9. And like I said, this is the color Pool, and I got 3 of those for a hat and scarf set. I'm interested to see. Get in there. There's the darker in the middle. So that kind of works out, because if I started on the outside, no, if I started on the inside of this skein, it would be this is on the inside. So I'd work from the inside out. So if I was making a hat and it was going in a circle, the beginning would look like this, and then the end of it would look like this. And then when I start this one, it'll be this color to this color. So it'll be striped, this kind of solid matte color, striped, yeah, and then this, the blue color again. Anyway, you guys know what I mean, right? Clear as mud. Okay, so another color I got of that Dazzling is Hint of Jasmine. Ooh, that's pretty. So it's teals and purples and like an off brown kind of color. So like this right here. It's really pretty. My girl, I think Jalen and Emma would like that. But it's same weights. It's 249 yards, 98% acrylic. They recommend a 5.5. It's a 4-weight. And again, the color is, I forgot, Hint of Jasmine. So I got 3 of those. And then the last, oops, the last color of this I got, or did I get 4 of these? Oh, I guess I did. I don't remember grabbing 4 of these. Or I thought they were, I probably thought they were 2 different colors, and because they all look different. But this is Aztec Orange. And it's got pretty hues of red and orange and yellow. See it to there? Get out of the way. I think that would make a really pretty hat and scarf set. Since I got 4 of them, I could make a big old long scarf. Okay, so next I don't know if this color is new, but our Hobby Lobby, I've never seen this color, and I like it. This is Yarn Bee Urban Chic, and the color is Golden Grace. Now this, oops, did I bump that? This is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 275 yards, or 252 meters, 78% acrylic and 22% cotton. This is a 3-weight, and they recommend an H hook, a 5mm hook. But I got 3 of these, and I love the colors. I thought that is so pretty. I know it doesn't like scream winter, but I like it. The yellow and gray together. And this I instantly thought of my niece when I seen it. She's gonna be 6, and I thought I was like, this just screams my niece. It also reminds me of birthday cake ice cream. It's instantly what came to my mind. But I'm gonna make my niece something with this. This color is called Caribbean Vibes, and it's the Urban Chic. It's 275 yards, 252 meters. They recommend an H hook, 78 acrylic, 22 cotton. But I got 2 of those. I I have some pom-poms, and if I remember right, I think I have a purple and like a neon pink pom-pom. And I picked this up, and the first thing that thought came to my mind was my niece bopping along with this hat on and a big old pom-pom on her head. I was like, yes, I'm getting that for her. I'll make it for her birthday is a few days after mine, or before mine. And then I got this color, and I thought this would be really great for Matt. He loves my hats. And I thought this would look great on him. It is I don't know how to pronounce this. Eucalyptus? Eucalyptus? Oh, I get it. Eucalyptus. I am such a dork. Eucalyptus, but it's eucalyptus. I get it. I get it. I get it. I am a doofus. Anyhow, so I got these colors from Matt. Let's see if you can see some more. See how it's got that brown in there right there? It's not glittery. I hope you guys can see that's white. It's the speckles in there. Right there. That's just white. That's not glittery. I don't think Matt would want to wear glitter. Okay, last thing. So, I don't know if you guys had seen the tutorial I put out that had the, that was the star, like a, not a table cover, but, so I just have it under, let me see if I can get it to where you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys... There, now you can see it. I just have this sitting underneath my lamp. I can't think of what you call that. Like, it's not like a table cover, but like a doily or something. So I had made that, and it's a star, and it starts out in the middle as like a gray, then goes to a gray, choppy, and green, and then goes to a solid green to a purple. So that's just like a doily, but I got to thinking I'd like to do another one, but it be a pillowcase. So I bought another cake of Yarn Bee Rainbow Rhapsody, and it's called Sapphire Blues. So let me get close so I can show you guys. It starts out white right here, and then it goes to like a white and baby blue choppy right there, and then it goes to just a baby blue, and then it goes to a purple choppy, like purple and baby blue choppy, then to a little bit of just a solid purple, then to a gray, then to a gray and black choppy, then to just black. Hope you guys can see that. But what I got to thinking I want to do is make a pillowcase or a pillow cover, whatever you want to call it. Using this, it probably won't be the like in the star shape. It'd probably just be a square, but yeah, that's what I got. Oh, I guess I could tell you about it. It is 7 ounces, 198 grams, 918 yards, 839 meters. It's 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. It's a one weight, super fine. A 2.7. That's knitting needles, not crochet hook. Use a 3.25 millimeter crochet hook. I can't get my words out. Yeah. I'll let you guys look. There. Okay. And yeah, the color is called Sapphire Blues. I always get annoyed how everything you put on camera doesn't look the same as it does in real life. Like the colors are completely off. Anyway, that is my little yarn haul today. If you're still with me, I'm going to show you a little secret that I've been working on that I kind of just, this has been going on for a while now. It hasn't been a big priority, but I started a little something and somebody seen it and suggested that I show it to you guys and get your guys' opinion. So if you're still with me, you got a little surprise for sticking with me. It's a cup. I don't have the straw in it right now, but I made that. And I thought about, if you're still here and you're watching this, leave me a comment and tell me what you guys think. I thought about making some of these and then like the metal tumblers and selling them on my Etsy shop with crochet sayings. Like this one says, I crochet. I'm trying to get it to where you can't see that glare. It says, I crochet so I don't unravel. And then it has a heart yarn on the back. It doesn't look near as dull as it does in the video. I don't know why it looks like that. I'm trying to get it to where you can see how it actually looks. I don't know. Like, it's really glittery. Anyhow, leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think about that. If that'd be something you'd be interested in, or I don't know. Anyway, I think I'm done for today. So hit that subscribe button, please. Leave me a comment and hit that like button. And I've got a tutorial I'm working on. I know it's been a while since I put one out. And it's a sweater, a pullover sweater. I'm about that close to being done with it. I'm going to work all day today and Sunday on it. So I'm going to get that out next. And then I'm going to definitely start some hat and scarves because I'm ready for some hat and scarves. And then I got more things constantly running through my mind. Anyhow, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And I love you guys so much. Check out my description box. Got all kinds of goodies down there for you. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.